So CORSIA was adopted now a bit more than a year ago. We're now in a situation where there's a challenge making sure that the airlines understand what CORSIA is about, what it will imply for them. For example, CORSIA will require that as from the 1st of January 2019, all airlines operating international flights will monitor their fuel consumption, emissions, and report them to their national authorities. And it's very important that the airlines are aware of those requirements in advance so that they can put in place the systems and be ready to comply with those requirements in time. Then also in the longer term, some of the airlines will be required to offset part of their growth in CO2 emissions above 2020 levels. And in order to do so, they will need to buy carbon offsets or carbon credits. And we want to make sure that they know who to talk to, where to get those offsets from, so that they can properly manage their offsetting obligations and related compliance costs.
In addition to this, there are some very specific technical requirements an airline needs to fulfill, participating in CORSIA. So our role is to inform the airlines what are those requirements, starting with the monitoring of fuel emissions, but also then going into the area of compliance to make airlines understand what type of emission reductions will be accepted in the future, how they can build a portfolio in the future to be prepared for the day when in fact they will be asked by governments to comply with the requirements, not only technical but also with the CO2 emission reductions needed to reach our goal of carbon neutral goal starting from 2021.